So we've gotten to the last part of our lecture, our classes, our training. We're going to put the book together. We've done our manuscript. We're going to get our cover, and we would publish our book. So you log into your KDP account, and it brings you to the home page. We're creating an ebook, so we click on Kindle ebook. So what will happen is it's going to give us 3 tabs, and we'll fill in each of these 3 tabs. But for the purpose of this lesson, I'm just going to stick to the ones that are important. So of course, the first thing there when ebook details is my title. So it was my first attempt. Okay, there we go. And then of course you can put in a subtitle, it's optional, and then I'll put the edition number. If it's the first edition, I'll say 1, and then you fill in the name of the author. So I am Jane Doe. Okay, and if there are any contributors, you can add them in there. You have different rules, you can pick from them. Okay, and the description, this is what is displayed on the Amazon website when you bring up the book. So I'm just going to put in a short text there for the purpose of this our demonstration. So I'm just going to say this book teaches you how to create and upload, no, not upload, let's say publish your own ebook. Sell. Yeah, well, not sell. Yeah, let's leave that. Let's do like that. And then I own the copyright if you do. And then we get to the keywords. So these are the search words that would be used to find your book. You know, sometimes when you go to the Amazon website and you're looking for something, and you just type it in. So say you want to buy wipes, you would go in there and you would type wipes, and then it will bring up all the different wipes. So it's the same thing. Whatever keywords that you think should bring up your book, you put them in here. So let's say I put in ebook. Let's say I put in publish, self-publish. And we can put maybe KDP. I think that's fine for now, so we can move on. Then you set your categories. So categories this time around is referring to those departments you see. So when you want to browse and it shows you a list, this is where it would fall. So you choose where you think it would fall. So let's just say we put it under education, and maybe we put it under references. I don't know what we're going to see there. Yeah, so let's put it under reference. Let's say that's the right one. Okay, so you can have up to 2 category sets. If there's an age limit, put it in there, and I'm ready to release my book now. I'm not pre-ordering. So you see here, anywhere you see these blue texts, it shows you more details about it. So you can find out more about anything from that, or you can actually go to the help at the top and click on it, and to give you a whole list of stuff that you can go through. So we just save and continue. And it takes us to the second tab, which is the content. So now I'm going to continue with that. I would leave this for you to read later. And then we'll go to upload our manuscript. So you're going to upload the manuscript that you formatted using your CreateSpace template. Of course, because this is not a proper manuscript, I just put things together so that we would have something to use. It's not going to be as nicely formatted as it would be if it was a real manuscript. So just bear in mind that you format your document nicely for the real thing. For this practice, it's fine if we don't make sure that all the tabs are in the right places, you know, and all that. It's just for us to have an understanding of the book. But whatever you format is what is going to end up in your book. So have that at the back of your mind. Okay, we'll soon be done uploading our documents, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so that's saved. So the next thing we need to do is to create a cover, and KDP has made it quite simple. I'm just going to do the basic cover. So we launch the cover creator, and this would allow us to create our covers right here on KDP. So you can see that you have the option of, yeah, good. So first of all, you choose your design. There are several designs to choose from, and then after that we'll style it and edit it, and then we'll preview. Okay, so you have the choice of choosing from the image gallery. There's a wide range of pictures that you can use for free, or you can all download from your computer, so upload from your computer. We're going to use from the image gallery, and you can see that there's a whole range of stuff here that you can choose from. So I'm just gonna pick maybe one from education, library and teaching, and let's see, not sure this was a very good one, so let's just pick this one. Okay, so use this image. Yeah, let's use this image. Okay, so it appears there, and then you have the option of using either image-based designs or non-image-based designs. It's totally up to you. So we could decide, for example, to do this one. Let's choose this design, and you can see your title is already there, your name is there. You can change the font that is used if you want, and you see, and then once you're done, you save, and then you preview. Almost there. And there we go. That's what our cover looks like. So if you're happy with it, you can save and submit. Otherwise, you start over. So let's say we're happy with this, and we save and submit. Save and submit. So you can see there that it's now processing the file. So basically merging your manuscript and your cover. So we'll just wait for that to finish. And once it's finished, we will be able to launch the previewer to see what our ebook looks like. So you can see the cover uploaded successfully. So we just launch the previewer, and then it saves before it opens. And here it's coming. And there you go. So that's what it looks like. So you can see everything as you formatted it is there. And then in the previewer, you can change the orientation to see what it's going to look like. You can change the type of device. So I'm changing it to a phone now. Change the orientation. So at least you have a good idea of what it looks like. So once you're happy with it, then you just click on Book Details at the top here, and it takes you back to the publishing process. Okay, so we're happy with that, and then we just save and continue. The next step is pricing, which is also the last step. All right, so we're on the third tab. Okay, you can read up about KDP Selects and decide on whether it's something you want to do or not. If you have worldwide rights, go ahead and leave it at all territories. You can choose where you think you'll make the majority of your book sales from here, and that will be your default site. And then you select a royalty plan. I'm going to go for 70%. and you can see that your price is between $2.99 and $9.99. So I put in the price. I've not worked out anything. I'm just going to make this one $4. Okay, so once you put in the price, then it shows you what it would be on all the other sites, and then it also shows you what your royalty will be. So if you had taken the 35% one, your royalty is that, but the thing is you get a different range, so maybe you can do it higher, but you can read up about pricing as well in help to decide which one is the best option for you. And then once we're done with that, you can see it takes up to 72 hours for your title to be available, and then you just choose publish your Kindle ebook. And there you go. Congratulations, my first attempt, blah blah blah. And then you have the option to publish your book as a paperback. This is a basic training. We're not going to cover that in this training. That will be covered in the masterclass. So you just close. And if you look at your bookshelf now, you can see that our Kindle ebook is in review. So you can see that your title has been submitted for publishing, as in is currently in review. Okay. And once it is live, like this one, for example, make your own ebook, you can see this is live. So once it becomes live, then it's available for you to sell on, or rather it's available for sales on Amazon, any of the Amazon sites that you go to. Thank you for watching. All right, bye bye.